Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're here, Albufeira. Check out that behind me. Let me show you. Check out this beautiful little area here. Over there, you've got the. Let me zoom in for you guys. Over there, you've got the lift that takes you down to the beach. So let's take a little walk down. Show the plants. So we're going to take a little walk down to the beach. I just wanted to show you that quickly. Sabrina's just in front of me. Quickly show you this restaurant. Then I'll pause it till we get down to the beach. So everyone talks about this restaurant here on the right hand side. Restaurant Grill 54. And have really good views over down to the beach. But yeah, I'm gonna pause it. Cut back to me at the beach. So yeah, the beach. So yeah, let's go. We're going to go walk around Old Town. Lovely music as you come through here. Always a guy playing music for you. So yeah, not so busy at the moment. Everyone's either at the beach, chilling out, in the bars. But we're going to walk up, then we'll take a right, walk into the big square. Better see how long the video is from there. Let's see if we make it as far as YOLO. Maybe we might go down the little side passage. But yeah, Tesco's. Always busy. And this one on the right. And Brazil. There'll be like a prices video coming up. So maybe if you're watching this one, the supermarket's really good. But yeah, if you're watching this one, there might be already another one up for prices. But it might not be. You might have to wait, you might have to subscribe. But yeah, Portugal's beautiful. It's about 23, 34 degrees today. It says it's only 21 online, but it's roasting. So what we're going to do, we're going to walk down there, check all the bars, fill up. Well, we've got music coming from. Lovely music. So we've got Harry's, used to have the cheapest beer, it's not so cheap anymore. And Vertigo, smashing out the tunes with the guy at the back. And you've got Central Station, the old bull. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go See the beer prices. Like I said, I think prices have gone up this year, but that being another video. Got YOLO. Don't think the roof's open at the moment in YOLO. We're going to take a walk down the side. There's loads of girls enjoying themselves. Let's go and see everyone enjoying themselves. We're meeting up with Paolo later from Albufeira Paradise. So keep an eye out for that video. Everyone enjoying themselves. Well, that's copyright. Let's keep going. Well, so we have to cut loads out. Loads and loads out. But yeah. See, it's not as busy in the summer. Summer it's all be round. But right now, it's nice to have a bit of, time to have the restaurants to yourselves. It's a bit more better service when there's less people. They've got more time. This one's lovely. It's got a bar up top. The free harps. Or the tree harps. But yeah. Pina colada here, €5. This is not too bad price at DC. Thanks to DC for the follow on Instagram. They just started following us. You got the underdog here. As I said, all these prices will be coming up in a later video. Here in the corner you got meat bar. Again, thanks for the follow on Instagram, meat bar. We see ya. Coming up here you got Broadway pub. On the other side, this was new for like 2 years ago, this one, so it's been here for a little while now. It's got upstairs as well. But yeah, this one on Broadway. I'm very thirsty. I've only been out for like about half hour. I'm getting very thirsty. So yeah, we got the Barca restaurant. So yeah, guys, if you ever need a taxi and you can't get one on no Uber, come straight here. What we'll do, we'll take a walk around and we'll go up past Vegas. We'll do it all in one quick video. See what it's about right now. This cannabis shop, they always bug you to go in there. I don't want anything, they don't sell real stuff. So as you can see, not very busy at the moment. This will be really busy later. A few things have changed for the outside entertainment. They can't have it outside on the street anymore. So they have to have it indoors. Let's make it a little bit brighter for you guys. There you go. How was that focusing, eh? What was that focusing on? Right, anyway, let's keep going. Hope it wasn't bad the whole time. So again, this is the backside of me and Vegas bar. Yeah, Piccadilly coming up here. Let me know if anyone ever bought anything from these shops, these Portugal shops. I ended up starting getting my stuff all from Turkey, because it's cheap, cheerful. That's what I want. I don't really give a crap about buying out the real stuff. We've got Joe's here. Football tonight look like Cork, Irish. So classic bar. There'll be another video for late night stuff down here. It'll be like someone will be in this door here in Artrim and they'll be singing, doing their, there you go, large beer $3.50. I don't know if that's changed from last year. Let me know in the comments if it's changed. Also, I've got videos out that says it, so if you want to check out my videos, you have to see the prices of drinks. down this whole road. But guys, thank you for watching. It's Wagwan Tours. We'll catch you in the very next video.